That marriage is not real.
I do not need to hear this.
Sweetheart.
I do not need to hear this.
You would not be living here with me and your father. You'd be on your own.
I'm a Grammy award-winning singer. I'm done listening to you.
This is something that's wrong.
Recognize this, Frankie? Your favorite gun.
I just want him to have a wife and to find true love the way that we found it.
You know, you hear people say that from the time they were a child, they've always known what they wanted to do as an adult and what they've loved, and I believe I fall into that category. I have always loved performing. I have always loved acting and bringing characters to life. I had no idea that I was preparing myself for the roles and the characters that I would portray today. For example, in theater production roles such as Dorothy from The Wiz, Effie from Dreamgirls. In those theater production roles, I'm in character for 2 hours or the full run of the show. And I'm loving that. Whereas in film, I'm in character until the director says cut.
Got this one thing that I need.
And working with director Maurice, I have had the opportunity to bring 4 of his characters to life. It's been an immense pleasure. And these 4 women, they are all wonderful, they're all dynamic, and very different. And I love portraying each one of them. For example, Clara Winters. Now, she has a son who is a homosexual. She has a huge problem with it. She's very wealthy, an executive. Her husband, though, on the other hand, does not have a problem with it at all. And that is a big challenge for her.
I am ashamed. I am ashamed. I know Sheldon is a great child. But I just want him to have a family. I just want him to have a wife and to find true love the way that we found it.
Oh, not like Emery and Brandon.
That is not fair.
Our son married him.
That marriage is not real. The state doesn't even
Their state
recognize
does.
Then there's Jessica Steele. This was a very challenging role, but fun. Recognize this, Frankie? Your favorite gun. Blow a hole in a man the size of his fist. How many times have I heard you say that?
Jessica.
I believed in you. I trusted you. And I heard it today out of my sister's own mouth under oath. How the 2 of you behind my back all these years.
Jessica, what happened with me and Victoria happened decades ago. Before you and I even met. Maurice had damn near abandoned.
Poor little Victoria.
Listen to me.
No! I'm done listening to you. Sanctimonious hypocrite. I was able to use a real gun as a prop, and I'd never done that before. That was very exciting. She has everything that a woman would want, but in her head, she has absolutely nothing. She's very untrusting. It's Catherine! Not Kate. Catherine Cox is a very talented singer.
Not Katie.
She's a Grammy Award-winning singer.
You're drunk.
But really, she's just a drunk. She's a drunk. She shows up to the studio. She glasses are upside down. She wears different shoes. She's just really a drunk.
Kate, put your glasses on right side up.
It's Catherine.
Put your glasses on, correct, Catherine, and sing the song. Your ass is drunk. Oh.
Got me in this here studio. You need to have me in a real studio. A real studio. I'm a Grammy award-winning singer. And I'm good, too. Still good. Still good. Still good.
Anybody hear anything? When a woman loves a man.
You're drunk, I told you. That's not even the lyrics. How can we do this and you're drunk, Catherine? Take two.
Okay, okay, that's on me. That's on me. But if I was in a real studio, I bet that would happen.
You there at 5:30 in the morning trying to get out of the scene?
Okay. I feel good now. I feel real good now. Yeah, I feel real good now. Let's go. When a man loves a woman.
She's a drunk, but you better call her Catherine. Can you imagine a therapist who gets so involved in her patients' lives that she helps them to commit murder? She sleeps with them. That's Elaine Collins. I love acting. It is what I am, what I do. I'm grateful for the opportunities I've had in the past, and I look forward to what I'm doing now. It's just who I am.